months ago, I reached out one night, you were gone. Wonder why you run, but running to or from. All I know is I want to bring you home. So I'm walking in the rain, coming for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I loved you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go, never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down. Up ahead another town that I go walking to, with the rain in my shoes, searching for you in this cold Kentucky rain, this cold Kentucky rain. Showed your photograph, so old gray-beard man sitting on a bench outside the store. Said yes, she'd been here, but the memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? Oh wait, the day before. Finally got a ride on a preacher man who asked whereabout on this cold dark afternoon.